Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be looking to transfer your XRP from Coinbase to the Xaman Wallet for better security and control. This process is straightforward, but as always, handle your crypto with care to avoid any mishaps. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase account and a Xaman Wallet set up. If you don't have Xaman yet, download it from your app store and create a wallet. It's quick and user-friendly. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the dashboard and find your XRP balance. Tap on it to access the send or withdraw option. Before you proceed, double-check that you're on the correct network. XRP uses the XRP ledger, so ensure that's selected to avoid any transfer errors. Next, open your Xaman Wallet app. Go to the Receive section, and it will generate a unique wallet address for XRP. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Back on Coinbase, paste the Xaman Wallet address into the To field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on congestion. Hit Continue, and review the details one last time. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation code or email, so keep an eye on that. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Finally, head back to your Xaman Wallet and refresh the balance. You should see your XRP there. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and check your transaction history on both platforms. That's it, folks. You've successfully moved your XRP to Xaman Wallet. This step is crucial for managing your assets more independently. If you run into any issues, always reach out to the respective support teams. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe out there.